Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 6. If B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where ABCD lie on a straight line, say why AB is equal to CD. Let us take one straight line. Right, B is the midpoint of AC. We have taken one straight line like this, right? And this is AC. AC and the middle point is B. Middle point is B is the midpoint of AC, and where C is the midpoint of BD. C is the midpoint of BD. Then we will extend another line here, that is up to D. That is up to D. And here it is C is the midpoint of BD. Where ABCD lie on a straight line, say why AB is equal to CD. Let us prove that this one. We will prove thus that AB equal to CD. This is the proof. What is the proof? Here B is the midpoint of AC. B is the midpoint B is the midpoint of AC. Therefore we can write AB is equal to BC, right? Since it is midpoint. This is 1. Also, C is the midpoint of BD. C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint of BD. Then you can write that BC is equal to CD. That is 2. Now, comparing 1 and 2, we get comparing 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get AB equal to BC is equal to CD, right? Since AB is equal to BC is equal to CD, therefore we can say that AB is equal to CD, right? That means here AB, the value of AB and BC are same. Suppose this is 2 unit and this is also 2 unit, and BC is the midpoint of BD. Since BC is 2 unit, it is also 2 unit, right? Therefore, the value of AB and CD is same, that is 2 unit. In the same way, we have proved that AB is equal to CD, right? Again, I am trying to explain this one, that B is the midpoint of AC, therefore you can write AB is equal to BC. C is the midpoint of BD, therefore you can write BC is equal to CD. Comparing 1 and 2, we get AB equal to BC is equal to CD. And since AB equal to BC equal to CD, we can say that AB is equal to CD. This is the solution of question number 6.